What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today we have here a product from Be Quiet. They were nice enough to send one of their full tower Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900 Rev 2 silent case, so I can test and share with you guys my thoughts. I opted for the silver and black case, but they also have orange and black. This case is a full tower, that means your motherboard option is endless. You can fit up to E80X server standard motherboard. Case height is 23 inch, depth is 22 inch, and width is 9 inch. Dark Base Pro 900 Rev 2 comes with PSU shroud. Now, in order for you to install the power supply, you have to remove the PSU shroud. You can install up to 7 3.5 hard drives or SSD. You can remove these plastic covers and install the hard drive's cage. Also, you can remove the optical drive bay. Case does come with 3 Be Quiet 140mm silent wing fans, 1 rear for exhaust and 2 front intake. Now for water cooling, you have a good radiator option. You can install 420mm radiator on the top and also another 420mm rad in the front. Let's look at the front I/O real quick. Front, we have 3 USB 3 port, microphone and headphone port, power bottom, LED control bottom, hard drive LED indicator, USB 3.1 type C port Gen 2. Also, this case comes with QI wireless charging station, so you can easily charge your phone while gaming. There is air vents on both sides of the case standing on 4 plastic stand, silver color matching with the silver stripes on the sides. You can open the case front panel and access the dust filter and optical drives. Front panel does come with noise dampening foam. Also, you can access the fan controller. Now let's look at the rear I/O. Rear, we have 8 PCI expansion slots, great for SLI or Crossfire build. Rear, you can install 140mm fan or 120mm fan. You can easily loosen the thumb screw and open the back panel. Back panel also comes with noise dampening foam. There's enough space for cable management. There is 3 rubber routing holes. You can also route cables from top and bottom. There is a fan hub. You can run up to 8 fans with this hub. There is a SSD cage next to the hub. Back, you will also find a big cutout so you can install aftermarket or custom CPU coolers bracket without removing the motherboard. You can also invert your build with this case if you want. Case does come with 2 RGB strips. You can control with the USB hub. Overall, great build quality. I do like the smoke tinted tempered glass. Looks good with the RGB strips. You can pick up this case from Newegg for $249. There will be a link in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you guys next one. Peace.